We tested 7 of the top-rated options in this category. Most are forgettable. A couple are traps. But one of them is almost unfairly good for the price. And it might not be the one you expect. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to buy and which ones to skip. We'll move through the rankings, call out the real trade-offs, and give you a straight answer. No filler. If budget comparisons like this save you a bad purchase, a subscribe helps. We run these regularly. Now let's get into it. Chapters are below so you can jump straight to any pick. But stick around, because our number 1 is almost unfairly good for the price. Coming in at number 5, the Delongi Magnifica Evo, at $549.95. That price sounds steep until you realize what it actually replaces. No separate grinder, no milk frother, no barista. 7 one-touch drinks, espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, all built in. The 13 grind settings mean your beans are always dialed in correctly, not just good enough. The latte crema system textures milk and milk alternatives, and the carafe stores right in the fridge. Real convenience, not a gimmick. The one honest catch: the learning curve on customization takes a weekend to nail. But once you do, it's effortless. For a machine rated number 1 in super automatic espresso in the US, through all of 2025, $549.95 is genuinely fair value for what lands on your counter. Perfect for serious home coffee drinkers who want cafe quality without the cafe. Up next, the competition tightens considerably. Coming in at number 4, the Phillips 320 Series LatteGo, sitting at $549.99. And honestly, this machine earns every dollar of that. The LatteGo milk system is where it separates itself. Just 2 parts. No tubes, no hidden channels collecting old milk. You rinse it under the tap in about 15 seconds, and you're done. That means your cappuccinos and latte macchiatos actually taste clean, not like yesterday's leftovers. The intuitive touch display makes selecting your drink genuinely effortless. No guesswork, no cycling through menus. The AquaClean filter is worth calling out too. Phillips says you can go up to 5,000 cups before descaling. That's real long-term convenience most machines won't offer you. The only honest catch: with over 6,000 reviews averaging 4 stars, a portion of buyers flag the grind settings as a limited range for real espresso dialing. Not a deal breaker, but worth knowing. At $549.99, the no-fuss milk system and near-zero maintenance routine make this a legitimate contender. It's built for the daily drinker who wants quality without the cleanup headache. But the next machine up the list does something that genuinely changes the conversation. Stepping into the top 3, number 3 is the Eletactic fully automatic espresso machine, sitting at $487.35. That price gets you a lot on paper. 15 adjustable grind settings means you're dialing in flavor the way you actually like it, not just choosing between weak and strong. The touchscreen handles everything: grinding, tamping, brewing, waste disposal. One touch. Done. The integrated milk frother builds lattes and cappuccinos without a separate wand to wrestle with. And the smart alarm system keeps you informed on machine status in real time, so nothing surprises you mid-morning. The auto-clean function is genuinely useful. One press rinses the pipes and clears residual beans from the grinder. At nearly $500, you expect it to earn that price, and the feature set mostly does. The honest catch here is the review base is still thin, only 12 ratings so far, which makes long-term reliability harder to call with confidence. For a feature-rich daily driver, it delivers. But our number 2 pick has something this one simply can't match. Coming in at number 2, the VIVOR automatic espresso machine, sitting at $253.99. And honestly, for what you get here, that price is almost unfair. Here is the thing about built-in grinders. Most machines at this level either skip them entirely or give you 3 grinding settings and call it a day. VIVOR gives you 15. 15 levels of grind control means you are dialing in your shot, not just guessing at it. The 20-bar pressure system does the heavy lifting from there, pulling a dense, aromatic extraction that budget machines simply cannot replicate. The steam wand produces consistent froth for lattes. The 1.5-liter tank keeps you going through a full morning without constant refilling. It even runs an automatic cleaning cycle at startup and shutdown, so maintenance is nearly invisible. The one honest catch: only 19 ratings so far, so long-term durability is still an open question. But on features per dollar, this machine earns every cent of its price tag. If you want a true grind-to-cup setup without a professional price tag, this is your answer. Our number one pick, though, takes it somewhere else entirely. Our number one pick is the Gaggia commercial espresso machine, and it is sitting at $126.99. That price should not be possible for what this thing delivers. A full stainless steel build, a 20-bar pump, NTC temperature control, pre-infusion, and a live pressure gauge. That 20 bars means your espresso is extracted with the same force a proper cafe machine uses. Real pressure, real crema, not a watered-down imitation. The steam wand produces genuine microfoam, so your cappuccinos actually look the part. Controls are semi-automatic and straightforward. No learning curve, no frustration. Over 3,000 verified reviews back that up, sitting at 4.4 stars with a bestseller badge to match. The one honest catch: it is semi-automatic, so you are still dialing in your grind manually. If you want full automation, step up a budget tier. But for under $130, this earns every dollar with a professional-grade feature set that most machines double this price cannot match. Compact enough for any counter, sharp enough for any kitchen. This is the one. So here is where everything lands. Budget machines grind adequately. You taste the difference on a focused palate. Mid-range grinders close that gap fast. Top-tier burrs make it obvious. Milk frothing splits the same way. Manual steam wands reward patience. Auto frothers reward speed. Casual drinkers, grab the value entry. Latte obsessives, step up. The price gaps on this list are real, and so are the quality jumps between each tier. Pick the one that matches your actual morning, not your aspirational one. So here is the bottom line. Our best value winner earns that title because it does not ask you to compromise where it actually matters. You get consistent results, solid build quality, and a price that does not require a second thought. If you are still deciding, go back to the pick that fits your actual routine. Honest choice beats aspirational choice every time. Links are in the description. Current prices, ranked in order. Affiliate links used, no extra cost to you. And if you're shopping the same budget for a different category, the next video is right there.